Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download and install Evernote on laptop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Evernote? It's pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type evernote.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to download and install the Evernote on laptop. From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find the download the app option. So right here, you're going to see download app, get full experience. Once you click on this, it's going to take you right here to this particular icon where it's going to show you that it's downloading, right? I have already downloaded it, so that's why it's already showing you that it has been downloaded. Okay, so it's going to show downloading. I don't know how many minutes it's going to take or how many seconds it's going to take for it to be downloaded, depending on your internet speed or how much space you have on your device. But once you have successfully downloaded, you can now open it up, right? So open up that just click it, and once you click that, you're going to see some prompts. Like, it's going to give you some prompts on your device to say that, do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? Go ahead and click on yes. And once you click on yes, that's just going to be it. It's now going to take you to the processes that you need to take to install. Now, the installation processes are step by step, and they are pretty much fast and they're very easy. They're self-explanatory. So just follow the step-by-step processes to installing until you get to the final step, which is finish installing. Once you have clicked on that last button, which is finish installing, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you can now use the application that you have downloaded. So the experience you get from the application is not going to be really different from the web application, but then it's more like an enhanced experience. It just allows Evernote to be right there in your systems folder, and like, it's always there. You can always access it. You don't need to, you don't need to go over to your web or your browser to search for Evernote. You just have it right there in your desktop as an application itself. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.